Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it's a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Black MB-Tex interior with an anthracite poplar wood trim. Sunroof. GLE 350, 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, a clean set of floor mats, 60/40 fold down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, pedal shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with sensors, navigation, hard keys for the radio and media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE has 27,970 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.